Good morning. Today is Friday, March 15th. And the first chart we're looking at is our Australian dollar, US dollar Forex currency pair trade. If you recall, we went short right here. We sold this market at a price of 103.57, right there back at the 200 exponential moving average, just below the 50 exponential moving average as well. Our initial stop loss is right up in here, if you recall, at 104.17. Didn't quite get there yesterday. Okay, yesterday was a big bar, big range from low to high. As you can see today, so far, we've got an inside pattern, right? The high is lower than the prior bar's high, and the low is obviously much higher than the prior bar's low here. So it'll be interesting to see what happens today. I'm kind of hoping for an inside pattern, right? So I'm hoping that the market is obviously not able to take out yesterday's high. I know the market will not take out yesterday's low. Probably will be contained. So if that's the case, then on Sunday night when this market opens, I would really be looking for the low of today to be broken, right? That I might even add to this short position if the market is able to break down through the low, but we'll see. Probably not, just because it is at the exact same place where I sold short. So far the low is right where we went short. So the more I think about that, probably not. But if the market does in fact take out the low today on Sunday night when the market reopens, I would definitely move my stop from 104.17 down further, so I risk less, down to 2 pips above the 104 even, which is the high of this big bar. So 104.02, save 15 pips. As you recall, we are risking 60 pips on this trade, right? From the short here up to the initial stop loss right here. I'm risking 60 pips. If I'm able to move that stop down to 2 pips above yesterday's high, then I'll save 15 pips, which means I'll only be risking 45 pips. Okay, it's all about trade management, okay? Let's move on to the 2 other trades that we're in. TransOcean is the next trade. We've been in this for quite a while, so I'm moving the stop. I'm trying to manage this trade as best I can. I'm risking a whole lot less on this trade than I was when I first put the trade on. If you recall yesterday the market ran up, took out the prior bar's high right here, right? Let's say Wednesday's high was 53.49. Yesterday's high was 53.77. So I moved my stop up to below Wednesday's low of 52.72 to 52.62 is where that stop is. Today, the market just barely by 2 pennies took out yesterday's high. So today's high so far is 53.79. So I'm going to leave my stop where it was yesterday, okay? My stop, right, was below Wednesday's low by 10 cents at 52.62. So I'm going to leave it right there, okay? Now, if today is able to move, let's say, 15, 20 cents higher than today's high, then what I'll go ahead and do is that I'll raise my stop again to below today's intraday low. Today's intraday low is 53.27. I would move that to 53.17, but only if the market can take out today's high by another 10 or 15 cents. All right. So the next trade is Wynn, and again, these trades we've been in quite a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is the 8th day we've been in these 2 trades. Okay. Okay. So if you recall on Wynn, we're long at 117.53 as the market took out this high right here on the 5th. Took it out on the 6th. Our first profit objective is 120.44. So far, we've hit 120. Today we hit 120. So we're only 44 cents from that first profit objective, where we'll take something off the table, okay? Now, what I've done is, since today has taken out yesterday's high, right? I only took it out by 2 pennies, but the mere fact that we took out the high, I'm going to move my stop up to below yesterday's low. Yesterday's low is 118.66, so it's going to go to 118.46. So actually, if you recall from yesterday's video, I moved my stop up to below the intraday low at the time I was putting together that video, right? And the intraday low when I was putting together the video was 118.66. So I'm not moving my stop from where I moved it during yesterday's video. So it's at the same place as yesterday, 118.46. So again, nothing really new today. Still feeling under the weather, quite honestly. So I'm gonna leave it at that. You have a profitable day. I'll be back with you Monday, all healthy and ready to go to get more trades going on as well. Okay. Have a great weekend and a great day. Bye for now.